Hi, welcome all of you. In this particular tutorial, we will learn conditional rendering in the ReactJS. We basically have most of the times we use conditional rendering like if else, and then we are using the ternary operator and then end operator. Okay, so I will start with ternary operator. Ternary operator and end operator we basically use inside the JSX. I mean to say like inside the return. So here if you see I have one condition that is logged in, that is currently true. So if it is true, then it will render this particular dashboard component. If it is false, then it will render the login component. So these dashboard and login component just simple component with just some static tags. These are the components. So currently we have this is logged in true. So if I go to the browser and check, I will it it should supposed to show that particular dashboard component. So here if you see I have if you see it's saying welcome on dashboard, so that particular basically render this particular dashboard component. If I go ahead and change this particular is logged into the false, it will just show please log in text on the screen. Okay, here if you see it's showing the please login. So this is how like we render the component based on the some condition using the ternary operator. Okay, so next I will explain like suppose we have some error. Okay, const error equal to true. Whenever this particular error is there, I just want to show some text. Okay, that particular one I can just use this particular end operator come. Okay, so here I can just show some component or some element as well, and I can show text something like something went wrong or something like that. You can show some random text. Okay, so that basically okay, so if I see here it's showing me like something went wrong, so it's mean like whenever this particular variable value is true, then it will just show the right side uh, component or element. If it is false, then it won't go to the right side of this one. If it will render right side value if and only if this particular variable having value true. Okay, so next one I can just explain in a way like I can just that use Sam is logged in. Okay, and for example I just let me copy this one. Okay, just remove this code and just copy. I can just have here dashboard component. Okay, and dashboard component I have, and I just want whenever like this particular this logged in true, I mean user have logged in, I just want to show that that particular color is valid, and whenever like it's not logged in login page I just want to show this color to the red. Okay, so that kind of thing we can do like using if else. So if is logged in true, then I just want to return this particular thing. Okay, and if it is false, I can just return here login and login component. Okay, and for that one I just change the color. Okay, so here basically if condition is controlling the entire return, you can see statement. So basically we are putting condition on the JSX, not inside the JSX. We are putting condition on the JSX, and that is outside. Okay. So this is the way, like in else condition I can just put this like login. Okay, so whenever this particular is true, it will just show me that particular dashboard component. Here it is saying like welcome on dashboard. Okay, if I change the value to the false, it will just show login, please login, something like that, and color has been changed. So this is where we can use if else condition to control the entire JSX of a component. Okay, and most of the time we use these three conditional rendering. Okay, we just enter the JSX based on some condition. That's all in this particular tutorial, and please subscribe my channel. uh, thank you for watching. Thank you so much.